The shameless ANC is caught out again. Greetings, guys. My name is Tebos Kosana. Welcome to the platform, The Agenda. So today we're talking the ANC and the recent developments pertaining to the appointment to the boards of SETAs. The SETAs, those are the institutions that are responsible for the skill development in different sectors of our economy. So the ANC has been pushing its cadres. In fact, it's not even about cadres. There's been pure nepotism because one of the uproars is that they had attempted to appoint Gwede Mantashe's son as the chairperson of the Meseta board. Meseta is one of the SETAs, as I've already said, that we've got different SETAs in different sectors of the economy